Hello everyone. Welcome to the North Carolina Zoo. My name is Fong, and I'm happy that you decided to join us here at our Birds in Flight show. You know, we brought our birds here a few weeks ago, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and they've been cruising along here, trying to figure out how to find their ways around some of these woods here. And birds from all around the world, actually, they're going to cruise all around, just like these guys right here, Indy and Maya. Indy and Maya are double yellow-headed Amazon parrots. They're normally found in the rainforests of Central America, where unfortunately they are considered an endangered species. Fortunately for us, these guys, we're hatching a breeding program to share with you folks the beauty of some of these birds. And you know what? Indy is going to be back out a little bit later in the show to share with you folks what you can do to help endangered species as well. But for now, we'll go ahead and send them off. See you later, Indy and Maya. So long. Bye. That was Indy and Maya, everybody. Yeah, thank you. One of you. Well, like I said, we've brought all kinds of birds to share with you folks. You know, birds from all around the world, and some of them exhibit natural behavior. Well, they all exhibit natural behavior, but we try to feature natural behaviors, and nothing more natural than free flight behaviors, right? So we'll be doing lots of that, but some of them have very unique behaviors to themselves as well. And some of the birds are quite unique looking also. Our next bird comes to us from the grassland of South America. It's called a red-legged Sariema, and there she is right behind me. Hey, young lady, ready to come out here? This is Selena. Selena, like I said, is a red-legged Sariema. In the grasslands of South America, where they normally live, they look for things like snakes and lizards and bugs and all sorts of things. See how she's sneaking around looking for Larry the lizard right here in the wide open space? Where could he be? Where could he possibly be? Where is Larry the lizard, young lady? Where do you think, where do you think he might be hiding? In the bushes, perhaps? Oh, no, wait. No, he's right here. Oh, I think she found him. He's right here. Oh, no, she lost him again. Where is he? Maybe he's in the grasses over there somewhere, sneaking around. Or perhaps he's hiding behind that little bush of grass. Is he? Yep, she's sneaking. She's sneaking. Where is he? Right here, perhaps? Maybe he's right here, hiding, blending into the gravel so well. Come out here. There she is. Hello, pretty young lady. You want to come out here and let everybody take a good look at you? Yeah, come on. Again, she's a silvery-cheeked hornbill, normally found in the forests of Africa, where they eat a variety of things. They're considered omnivores, and so they'll eat bugs and fruits and sometimes even birds and rodents. So pretty much everything, but their specialty is that they can catch things right out of the sky, right? They're very maneuverable. So we're going to show you how she does that with this piece of grape right here. So imagine Eeyore sitting in a tree, along flies a bug. Here's what you must see. Eeyore, are you about ready to show them what you do with these flying grapes? There you go. Good job, young lady. Yeah, nice job. You guys got a good look, huh? Yeah. How about you guys? You want to see her? All right, Eeyore. I think they're ready to see you. You ready? Here we go. Good job. Oh. That was a close encounter of the bird kind. All right, let's get over here. You don't have to get out of your seat for this show. You ready? We'll come to you. Here we go. Yeah, nice job, Eeyore. Good job, young lady. See, she loves this perch up here. Every time she gets up here, she looks up at the sun and considers whether she should sun herself or not. Because some of our birds love the sun. See how she opens her wings a little bit here when they flew? And they have great eyesight and the ability to hear very well as well. And so with those natural instincts, they survive really, really well at night. And therefore, they also don't have a need to reason, right? If you're gifted, you don't really have to think. And so they're not as wise as we often think. You know, we always say with the wise old owl, they don't have to be wise. They just have to act on their instincts. But there are other species of birds that are quite wise that we may not be aware of. There's a group of birds in the bird world that's very smart. Anybody know what group of birds I'm referring to? How about crows and ravens? Yeah, crows and ravens are some of the smartest birds out there. They belong to the family called Corvidae, which also includes jays as well, right? So the blue jays that are in your backyard.
We're doing video
now. Maybe talk here. Tell us your name.
Tom.
Tom, do you like birds, Tom?
Oh, sure.
You do? Do you have a favorite bird?
Probably cardinal.
Probably cardinal. They're one of our favorites here too. And they're right in these woods. After the show, they come up and clean up the stage, Tom. So it's quite fun to see. And you're not afraid of birds, are you, Tom?
No.
No, not yet anyway. All right, Tom, if you would, have a seat
Depends on
right
how
there.
big they are.
Depends, right? Have a seat right there for me. What's going to happen is our little Albert is going to fly over these guys right here and back to that stump back there, Tom.
Okay.
And then he's going to turn around, fly over these folks right here and right back towards you, okay?
Okay.
What you want to do is get that frame, get me in your frame right here, because it's about the
I'm
wingspan
getting
right here. You
360
everything.
degrees.
Okay, great. And you want to make sure that camera's running
It's
to
running.
make sure that you get that video right before impact, okay, Tom?
Okay.
All right, I think Tom is ready, and I think Albert is ready too. Albert is a Eurasian eagle owl. If you guys are ready, he'll be flying over there. Here he comes. Yeah!
Oh,
You were graced by Albert. All right, Tom, if you're ready, in a moment, he'll turn around, check out his surroundings, and they'll be coming back this way. Let's hope he doesn't take out your camera stick there, Tom,
That's what
because he
I'm hoping.
flies quite fast.
Or
All
my
right,
head.
Albert, are you about ready, buddy?
I'm
He's
ready.
got to fly down his bearings, checking all the wind condition. And he's got his eye somewhere in the woods. Here he comes, Tom. Yeah! Nice job, Tom. Go ahead and stand up if you would. You can take a nice look at Albert right here. Hey, buddy. Nice job. I would love to see that video, Tom. That was
Okay.
quite a shot.
Okay, sure.
Tom, you did a great job.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much. Nice hands for some of the smartest bird out there in the woods. We're going to bring up Jay out to share with you next, but we're going to show you kind of what they do in order to survive out there, but also kind of how smart they are too. Now, before I bring them out, I need to recruit another volunteer for this one. Young lady right there, your hand went up quite quickly, so come on up here with me. I think you were waiting for this opportunity, right? Tell us your name. Savannah. Do you like birds, Savannah? You do? Do you have a favorite? We're going to show everybody how smart he is, but also kind of what they need to survive out in the wild as well, okay? So when he comes out, I'd like you to hand him one stick at a time and see what he does with that. Are you ready? Yeah? All right. Our black-throated magpie Jay, JD, is going to be joining us from right over here. So you guys keep an eye on him, on that area. He'll be popping up through that log in just a minute now. JD, you back there, buddy? I think I see him moving around. He's trying to figure his way out there. There he is. Hi, buddy. You ready to come out here? There you go. Again, he's a black-throated magpie jay, normally found in Mexico. The ones we have around here, the blue jays, are a close relative of their cousins. All right, Savannah, you want to hand him one stick and see what he does? Grab that stick, buddy. What do you do with it? You fly over and you build your nest. There you go. Good job, buddy. Yeah, that's what you do. See, folks, these guys rely on the woods, just like we do, to build our homes. See, we take the trees to build our furniture and our homes. They take the twigs to build their nest site. I think JD just spotted something up there that we didn't see. I think there's probably an eagle or falcon flying way up there. That's making them a little bit cautious. All right, let's see. We'll get one more stick right there, Savannah. All right, JD, nothing to worry about. We're right down here with you. We got your back, dude. We got your back. Let's get this right, right? All right. Here, Savannah, let's see if we can get him right, because his mind is on something else right now. All right, buddy. Where's go? Good job. Good job, JD Woods. So, we're hoping that that trend will change soon. Unfortunately for us, these guys were hatching our breeding program to share with you folks the beauty of some of these birds. Now, I know they look very cute out here, right? Very pretty, very cute. And you might be tempted to go out and get one as a pet. Well, let me remind you, though, these guys can be quite challenging. What do you think? I can't really see them right here. Give me your hand if you would. Give me your right hand. There you go. I'm going to put some magic seeds right there so you can hold a few of them. There you go, young lady. Nice job. Yeah. Oh, he's hanging on pretty tight, isn't he? But like I said, these guys can be quite challenging, folks. They can bite quite hard. They can scream very loud, too. And some of them can live for quite a long time. These little parrots here can live for as long as 20-some years. So that's quite a commitment. So make sure you do your homework before you go out and get one. Young lady, you did a great job. Thank you very much for your help. Here, take your hat with you. Good job. You know, these conures, along with some of our other birds, have been here about 3 or 4 weeks now, so they're just learning the area, cruising around. These of South America, considered one of the largest flying birds out there, even in the world, but certainly in that region for sure. There you go, Pina. Around here, we don't have an Indian condor this big, but we do have 2 vulture species called the black vulture and the turkey vulture. And they do a fantastic job at keeping the environment clean for us. You see, when you've got a roadkill out there on the highway or on the road that you drive in, it sometimes disappears, right? So not only is it because the sanitary department, in my opinion, not only because the sanitary department is cleaning it up, but the vulture species, those 2 vultures are coming along and cleaning it up as well. But there's a significant, folks. Not only are they taking those carcasses away, they're actually cleaning it, cleaning it from bacteria. There's carcasses that sit out there will grow bacteria that have got botulism, anthrax, cholera. Looks like she found all kinds of treats out here. How can you come on up here? Yes, yes, I got some treats up here for you. You don't have to go looking. What are you looking for? It's right up here. There you go. There you are. Good job, young lady. Come on over here. Yeah, there you go. This stage is getting smaller and smaller every day. But they're cleaning up diseases that got botulism, cholera, and things like that would kill us outright. And so having the vultures around, they're actually helping to help us keep our environment and ourselves healthy. All right, Pina, that was a great job. You ready to go? That way. See you later. Bye. Pina.
Looks like one of those Japanese tour guides. The flag. She had a little flag on.
That's okay. I got one of the greatest bird
He doesn't eat the shell, he eats the stuff that's inside of them. Didn't Johnny Cash?
It's me, buddy.
At the very last minute, you should have just flipped it and you'd have hit him.